Hello guys, and welcome to another quick tutorial from Vintage Radar. Today I'm going to show you how to deactivate the alarm on your Armitron digital watch. This is going to be the Pro Sport version with the 4 buttons, but this tutorial is going to work for other models as well. What you want to do in your home screen is to press the mode button, and when you arrive at the alarm, here we are going to use the top right pusher in order to interchange between different options. So if I press it once, now I have a bell. This means that I have the hourly beep on. If I press it again, both the hourly beep and the alarm are on. If I press it once again, both of the features are off. Now it is going to cycle once again in case you want to check them out. Alarm on, beeping sound on, both of the features on, now both of them off. If I press the mode button again, we have the stopwatch, T2, and one last time we are going to arrive at T1, our home screen. In case you want to watch the full guide with all the functions and features of the Armitron Pro Sport digital watch, make sure to check out the link in the description box below. You will learn how to do everything, and I'm pretty sure there are going to be a bunch of features that you did not know your watch has. If you want to watch even more videos just like this one, guys, please make sure to be subscribed, give it a thumbs up, it really helps the channel grow. We post a bunch of videos about watches, vintage watches, watch tutorials, so you are going to love it here. If you want to purchase a vintage watch, check out our website vintageradar.com, link in the description box below. We have thousands of vintage watches for sale. Make sure to be subscribed. Thank you for watching, guys, and I will see you on the next one.